Fernando Amorsolo y Cueto, May 30, 1892 to April 24, 1972, was a portraitist and painter of rural Philippine landscape, nicknamed the Grand Old Man of Philippine Art. He was the first ever to be recognized as a national artist of the Philippines. He was recognized as such for his pioneering use of impressionistic technique, as well as his skill in the use of lighting and backlighting in his paintings, significant not only in the development of Philippine art, but also in the formation of Filipino notion of self and identity. Amorsolo graduated from both Liceo de Manila Art School in 1909 and the University of the Philippine School of Fine Arts. He also graduated from UP with honors in 1914 and received a study grant in Madrid, Spain, outside the Philippines. His exhibitions were held in Belgium at the Exposition de Panama in 1914, at a one-man show at the Grand Central Art Galleries in New York City in 1925, and at the National Museum in November 6, 1948, during the 1931 Paris Exposition. Amorsolo exhibited one of his anecdotal paintings, The Conversion of the Filipinos. Amorsolo's entries at the exposition in Panama were a portrait of U.S. President Wilson and the piece La Muerte de Socrates. In 1948, an Amorsolo exhibit was sponsored by the Art Association of the Philippines and the National Museum. In 1950, Amorsolo exhibited two more historical paintings fit among the ruins and baptism of Raja Humabon at the Missionary Art Exhibit in Rome. In 1979, Fernando Amorsolo's legacy as a painter was celebrated through an exhibition of his work, the Art Center of the Manila Hilton. His art was also featured in 2007 exhibition in Havana. Also, his art was influenced with an encounter with post-war. These are some of the most historically and culturally significant masterpieces of Fernando Amorsolo y Cueto. The Making of Flag, Philippine Flag in 2020, Antipolo 1947, Rice Planting in 1922, The Explosion in 1944, Dalagang Bukid in 1936, and Our Lady of Light in 1950.